Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you haven't done so already, take a moment to subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. In this video, I wanted to give you just a little Christmas decorating inspiration. If you haven't started yet, let this video guide you. Let's start with something a little untraditional. Black and white is the perfect color palette for a nice backdrop for your Christmas decor. Now this classic color combo will stand the test of time and it looks great with any decorating style from rustic to modern. An added bonus is that this pared down color palette makes it super simple to mix and match patterns. Minimal and merry. Yes, you can still pay homage to your minimal aesthetic and get festive at the same time. It's not about just completely pouring your space with tons of Christmas decor. It's using strategically placed decor to give your room the vibe you want. Pastels are pretty, even for the holidays. Now, big, bold, and rich colors are not for everyone. For some people, a very sweet, feminine color scheme is for them. If that's the case, go full speed with pastels. I love that tree, by the way. So this is absolutely the year to enjoy those Christmas blues. I don't know why blue is not a standard Christmas color. Think about it. It's the color of the sky and ice, and it gives you the winter wonderland vibes. You can use various shades of blue, but I'm sure that you can find one perfect for your home. Gingerbread time. Now there are certain things that just scream Christmas, and gingerbread men are one of them. This decor works great, especially if you have a home decor color palette that implements a lot of natural tones, earth tones. A gingerbread theme would be perfect. Okay, so you know how I said that some things just scream Christmas. Reindeers are another one of those items. A few well-placed reindeers around your home or family room will definitely give you that Christmas vibe. And of course, one of my favorite ways to decorate is candy cane lane. Now, very easy, simple to do. Basically, you're just implementing red and white everywhere. It gives you like a candy land theme, and I just think this particular look is so gorgeous. Now, if traditional red and green Christmas decor is more your style, go crazy with it. It's so easy to do this, and the good part about having this as your preference is that you'll be able to buy Christmas decor almost everywhere. This is the most popular color combination. But for those of you who detest really anything traditional, you want to buck the system. Why not go wild and bright? Take a walk on the wild side. Now the key to this is finding specialty stores like Hobby Lobby and Michael to give you those one-of-a-kind pieces to really make your home decor pop. So of course there's whimsical and fun as well. I feel like this is a great way to decorate when you have kids but still want a very chic, polished look. Listen, I love this tree right here. I have not seen that in person, but I think that is adorable. Get your inspiration from Dr. Seuss, The Grinch, some of those more fun Christmassy stories like that. Now, depending on where you live in the country, nothing really truly says winter like the cold and the snow. So take that as inspiration for a nice little snowy, all white color palette and vibe in your home. This is so realistic, it'll have you cranking up your heat. So if you love the boldness of red and just kind of want to forego that crisp green, why not opt for an all red decor? Still easy to throw a few pops of green in there with your tree or your garland, but really make the red stand out and shine. A great, bold look for you. Now listen, neutrals are all the rage in interior design, and if you love a calming beige, white, or black tone interior, then you should consider having a neutral Christmas this year. A lot of fans of neutral home decor are just really turned off by bright reds and greens, but I feel like if you love the neutral look, you will love having a neutral Christmas. Another great idea of themes for home decor, especially centered around Christmas, are metallics. You see the beautiful gold accents of the images being shown to you right now, and it really just gives your home a very regal feeling, almost like a feeling of royalty. But then we can switch it over and look at some of the icy silvers. So this is going to somewhat tie into the Winter Wonderland theme, especially once you put some baby blues and some periwinkles in there as well. So it's going to give you the coolness of winter. What about that balloon tree? I thought that was awesome. Feminine fancy. Now honestly, this one and the next one are going to kind of tie in, but this is just going to give you a very soft feminine glam look to whatever your home decor is. So think pinks, whites, blings, think a lot of flock trees as well. So now let's talk about pretty in pink. Now, since I live with my significant other, I don't know if I could really do this as my main tree, but in my beauty room, I do want a pink Christmas tree. I think it's flirty, fun, feminine, all those F words. So it's beginning to look a lot like the Christmases of your childhood. You know, those favorite vintage Christmas decorations that bring charm and nostalgia in by the slaveful. If you have ornaments passed down from generation to generation, or even some throwback favorites like the sparkly, shiny, bright ornaments or reproduction bubbly lights, homemade tree skirts, and even popcorn garland, now is the time to bring them out. So rustic home decor, especially towards Christmas, is all about cozy and charming. So think mini trees draped in plaid fabric and really sweet signs made from vintage worn wood, gathered pine cones, winter greens, and even tree branches. You can create a lot of your ornaments and your home decor as DIY pieces, so it's going to be economical as well. So we've talked about neutral Christmas decor earlier, but for those people where it cannot be enough color, what about Christmas rainbows? Of course, we have red and green and bold, but a rainbow really gives you a little bit of every color out there. And the great part is, no matter what color your decor is, it's going to match. Modern organic is making a huge wave the past couple of years, and why not use that same wave and drift into Christmas with it? You are going to be basically working with a lot of natural materials that you would find in nature and implementing Christmas decor. So think woods, think greens, wreaths, garland, all of that good stuff. Alright guys, so last but not least, you have Christmas villages. This is such a cool and fun way to display a collection that you may have. And fun fact, I actually want to start collecting pieces for a Christmas village. I just think this is so awesome, and it's a great collection to hold on to really for years or even to pass down.